Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914, and I am here with a banger. Uh, Shout out to all of my subscribers, everybody that has been watching my videos for the past 2-3 years as a YouTube creator. I really do appreciate everyone that rock with me. And as I continue to make more content, rather via videos, via uh, just short videos, I just ask that you complete to rock with me, like, subscribe, share my content, because my content, I deliver value in every video I make. Rather it's a lifestyle video of me traveling to Brazil. I just came back from the Philippines. I was out there for 2 months. Not 2 months, 2 weeks. So my channel is really about financial freedom, lifestyle. Shout out to Coach Greg Adams, the free agent lifestyle, living your life on your terms, but also making money. And this video is about how I plan on building $100,000 portfolio. It's possible. I believe it. And hopefully, from you guys listening to how I plan on doing it, that you guys, if you are starting or if you already investing, to continue to be consistent and to not give up, to keep the faith, and use this video as a motivation video for you to create your portfolios, your investing portfolios, and your wealth, right? So if you've been following me, you know that I have multiple portfolios, and this portfolio I've been really diligent. So let's start it out. So three years ago, my portfolio around January 4th of 2022 was at $34,000. 3 years ago, when I was, because I am 36 now. Yes, I've been increasing my skills, been increasing my income, creating my business LLC, and then my YouTube channel finally became monetized a year and a half ago. I was making 50 cents, and then I started, eventually make $1, and now I'm starting to see, it's I'm not a large content creator like everybody, but I'm consistent. I'm building, and even with compound interest, it starts small. And if you stay consistent, you stay diligent, you begin to make more money. And so you see right here was my portfolio. I have this portfolio. I have my Roth IRA. I invest into my 401k, and then also have a growth portfolio. And right here, 3 years ago, I was at 34,000. Now I am at roughly 71,000. But the goal is to get this at $100,000. Daryl, how you plan on doing it? This is how I plan on doing it. I really restructured. I restructured my portfolio for total return. Yes, I have dividend plays. I have dividend. I have stocks that pay dividends, but in regards to high yielding stocks, I don't really have any high yielding stocks. My highest yielding stock is SCHD. I have tech plays. I have Broadcom. I have Microsoft. I have SCHG. I have Booking Holdings. I have American Express, Costco, TSM, which is my international play, which is a semiconductor play. I have United Rentals, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Visa. I believe if we go into recession, that means we all are going down, right? And so if we're all going down, I'm going to continue to contribute. And as you see right here, the goal is I plan on contributing roughly $1,500 per month. $1,500 per month into these stocks. Wanted you guys to just soak this in real quick. SCHG, Amazon, United Rentals, $1,500 per month. $1,500 per month puts me at roughly $18,000 for the year. Now that doesn't take into account if I receive a bonus and I decide to put an extra $2,000. This doesn't account me putting extra money outside of the money that I put for $1,500 is just $1,500 into this portfolio. $1,500 into this portfolio, $500 into my Roth IRA every month, putting roughly 150 to $200 into Bitcoin every month, and hopefully with the market, if we have a market that's just a decent market, I should get my portfolio to 100,000. Also, with my tech plays, Broadcom, Microsoft, so Broadcom has been producing rate of return of over 30%. Microsoft, it was roughly 15 to 20%. SCHG, it's been like 30%, 28, 25, 30%, depending on the year. And then everything else is falling. Costco, roughly 30%. VGT, like roughly 19, 25%. If you average it out, if last year I had a portfolio return of roughly 30%, if and that's his outlier here, right? For the past 2 or 3 years, I actually have been producing rate of returns of close to 15%. So if we just did something on the lower end, if I just receive a rate of return of 14.5%, right? Let's just start. If you start out with a portfolio of right now of what I have of 72,500, I contribute $1,500 per month for 15 years. If I'm 36 plus 15, that means puts me close to the age of 51 years old, with a rate of return of 14.5%. Now, told you I had 30% last year, but let's just say 14.5%, right? That would put me for this year a portfolio of $101,000. It will put me at my goal of finally crossing the threshold of a $100,000 portfolio, and then fast forwarding. I'm 36 years old now, so 10 years from now, at 46, it's this saying that I should have at 46. I should have a portfolio of roughly $600,000, and then if you add 4 more years, that will put me at 40 years old. I will have a portfolio just for my dividend growth portfolio of 1.1, or if you round it, $1.2 million portfolio. And then that's just me, taking account of me having VGT, me having Broadcom, me having Microsoft, me having Meta and Amazon. And these stocks right here are growing still growing, still hyper diligent, and they're investing and buying these data centers. And then I have SCHD, and then I'm gonna have like VC, which is the REIT, the Las Vegas REIT, and that's gonna pay me, and then have JetQ. And so I'm excited because I'm setting myself up. I'm setting my portfolio up so that I have dividend play, I have total return play, and overall just have a portfolio to hopefully get me over the threshold. With a portfolio, when you take into account with inflation and just the value of money, my true goal is to get my portfolio to roughly $250,000, which will put me at year 4.5, which ultimately will put me at 40 and a half years old. Because if you do a portfolio balance and whatnot, with the inflation, $250,000 is roughly in today's money would be like $100,000. So, but I'm just focused on hitting the $100,000 balance first in my portfolio. Then I can focus on my next goal of $250,000. But yes, this is how I plan on doing it. The help on the market, my tech stocks is going to help me propel me into it. And then for 2025, this is how I plan on building a $100,000 dividend stock portfolio through just dividend stock portfolio updates. Me contributing $1,500 per month, using bonuses and along the way. Any money that I make from YouTube, I'm going to dump them into my portfolio, and I can really see at the end of 2025, going into 2026, that I will have a portfolio here that's it'll be worth close to $100,000, and I'm excited because when I was contributing last year and I was getting away, I was still in the 60,000s. It was no way that I thought that my portfolio was going to escalate and prepare me over 70,000. I didn't even think in my wildest dreams um, that I was going to be in the 70,000, or that I was going to even be almost be close to. I was almost close to 75,000, and the year wasn't over with yet. It was just those 3 or 4 days that the market went down in a negative that really pushed my portfolio close to 70,000, and I had to use money for towards my trip to the Philippines. But we're not complaining because we're going to be building while we flying it, baby. We're building while we flying. So this is how I plan on creating building a $100,000 dividend stock portfolio for 2025. Hopefully, this provides you some type of motivation that if I can do it, you can do it. And let's get this money. Peace.